Connecting Payoneer to Shopify is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Shopify.com site. Once you get into it, click on Settings from the bottom of the dashboard. Then, tap on Payments from Settings. And click to choose a provider from the payment provider. Now, you can search here for Payoneer. If you don't find it here, get back to Payments and scroll down. Tap on Add Payment Methods from Supported Payment Methods. Go into Search by Provider. And search here for Payoneer Checkout. So, tap to activate Payoneer Checkout from here. Now click to connect the Payoneer to Shopify. Later on, tap to install its app. Now your Payoneer account is connected to Shopify. You can click to manage it.